Hi guys, I'm Isla. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix a cracked aquarium. So when you guys first buy a new aquarium, it's important to do a leak test. If you notice any cracks or that it's leaking anywhere, you will need to fix this or else this can cause a lot of water damage in the future. All right, let's get to it. So here is my new 40-gallon breeder. I got this to upgrade my axolotl's current tank. So I noticed that there was a small crack in the corner on the bottom of it. First, you guys will need a caulking gun, and then you will need pure silicone. Now we need to cut the tip off. First we need to cut the tip off at an angle. So this thing comes with a cutter. I'm gonna try and cut it right. Okay guys, I cut the tip off at an angle. So now I need to insert it into the caulk gun. Okay, I finished adding the silicone and I put it on the crack and around it on both sides. Now silicone needs at least 3 days to cure. So you're gonna want to let that sit out until then, until it's completely dry and doesn't smell anymore. And then it'll be okay and sturdy enough to hold water in your aquarium.